Namaskar, Adab Salute to the all people of the whole world and welcome to my channel Healthy Mankind. Here I am Sanjay Nath from Tripura, India. Healthy Mankind, which mean people good health in physically as well as mentally. Healthy Mankind channel's main purpose will be option 1 litigation from different types of disease and will remain physically fit, and beside this option 2 increasing the world peace and security among the people and the country of the world. In this world, we human beings want to be healthy and be happy in all circumstances. But most of the times, it seems that people of the world remain unhealthy and unhappy for different causes. Here I have denoted for the people of the world as healthy mankind. It is not also the mean of the world people's physical health, but also denoted the mentally health of the people of the world. For last 1.5 years, we world people had noticed that coronavirus COVID-19 had been spread in this world as pandemic, and people are suffering from this fatal disease and even occurs death also of many people of the world. To prevent the disease and for survive in this world, people should be alert and serious about their health. Besides of taking vaccine for COVID-19 COVID-19 virus, people of the world should to keep himself or herself very neat and clean, and also his or her surrounding environment very clean. We all people, if we remain neat and clean and keep also himself clean around his or her home, village, road, city, state, country, then we can prevent not only coronavirus but also others different types of disease which is dangerous and destructive for our living existence. We all people, by using masks and social distance, can prevent and can survive from many other diseases which is spread by inhalation winds. By using masks, we can protect from dust and from bad worse smell, which also harmful for our health. Nowadays, world peace and security have been facing as a major issue of this world. If war, aggression, racism, communalism is frequently seen in this world, then peoples of the world cannot denote as healthy mankind. There in this world have 293 sovereign countries, and there are living different religions people, different tribes peoples, and they have the right to propagate and celebrate their own religion and culture. we all the people of the world are human beings and should to keep good relation with each other country and with people of the world. War, aggression, attack is not the solution of the world peace and security. It can ruin human beings from this world and it may be the cause for unhealthy and unhappy of mankind of this world. So nowadays, where Israel and Palestine where is almost ongoing, I request in favor of the people of the world to all honorable top leaders of the world for taking necessary steps by which war can be stopped and people of the world can survive safely and peacefully. There are bad impression of the people of the mind who had seen the World War II and incident of Hiroshima and Nagasaki atom bomb blast of 1945 in Japan on 6th and 9th August 1945. World War III is not wanted for world peace and security. For healthy mankind, world peace and security is most important because people's health and happiness depend upon his or her safely living also. So I request to all people of the world and the top leaders to refrain from war, racism, communalism, aggression, attack. If any circumstances or conditions have basis for world peace and security, then immediate discussion, which will be peacefully, should to be taken among those countries where problems facing. At the last moment, I request all the people of the world to come in the sense of common brotherhood by forgotten religion, racism, communalism, etc. Our only introducing is we are all people of the world are human beings and we are living in the same earth and will remain very happy and healthy forever. Later on, I will take different steps and related issues for healthy mankind channel for beneficial of the people of the whole world. Jai Hind.